Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm super excited today. We're getting towards December and I want to grow my own Christmas tree. And I've got these seeds and they're very small, but these are Nordman fir seeds. And these can be grown in the UK. There are also many different other varieties of Christmas trees you can grow, such as Norway spruce, blue spruce, Scots pine, or even Fraser fir. But I do like these Nordman firs. They have a silvery underneath that makes it look frosty. And they also last a bit longer than normal. And also the needles is a no drop tree. So I'm going to see if we can grow some of these. So the first step we need to do is we need to soak these seeds for 24 hours. So I'm going to do an experiment and see what happens. So I've just got a glass of water and we take our seeds and we're just going to place them in the water. I'm just going to do 4. There we go. And they're just going to soak for 24 hours. So we've got our seeds and they've been soaking for 24 hours. So one way we can do this is mix them with compost, vermiculite or perlite or some grit, and sow the seeds in the compost and then seal inside plastic bag, polythene bag, and put in the fridge for 4 to 6 weeks, and then move to the propagator at heat of 13 to 15 degrees, and they should germinate 1 to 2 months. But I don't think I'm allowed to stick them in the fridge, so I'm going to try in the root trainers. And although germination is not 100%, it's around 68%, it's worth a try. So I've moistened this compost and I'm not stubbing it down, I'm just tapping it down. And then I'm going to take our seeds and place one in each cell. One more. And then just going to give it a little sprinkle compost. And I'm just going to top it up with a little bit of perlite on the top of that. There we go. Give it a quick bit of water. And then I'm going to cover this bag over the top. Just going to make a little propagator. And this is going to sit into the greenhouse and see what happens. There we go. That's our Christmas trees planted for many, many years to come, hopefully. So, this is our Nordman fir sapling, and this is 1 year old. So we're going to pot this up into a pot. And I've got some ready-made compost. I'm just using a tall pot. I'm just potting this up with some homemade compost. There we go. These are going to sit beside my greenhouse in a sheltered spot and grow on. And now, after 1 year, should grow another foot every year until we get a nice big tree. So, can't wait to see what these are going. I'm going to carry on and pot up the rest of these. So the far easiest way is just to go to a store and buy a potted Christmas tree, and even with a potted Christmas tree you can stick that into a pot, stick it into the ground, and you can grow it on for another year. So it's all a bit of fun. I can't wait to have this as my traditional Christmas tree in a few years' time. Where's the tinsel? Cheers!